Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dr. Joe, as always, and this is Stats and Tats. Today's question is, what is ANOVA, right? So ANOVA. ANOVA is a bad acronym for analysis of variance. And what it essentially does is look at the differences between groups and how it compares to the differences within certain groups, right? So, for example, if I was looking at college students, freshmen, sophomore, juniors, and seniors, and I wanted to look at study habits, right? So who studies more, freshmen, sophomores, juniors, or seniors? What I could do is run an ANOVA because I have 4 groups. There's too many for t-test. T-test can only handle up to 2 groups. But with ANOVA, I can run up to 4 groups, or I can run 4 or more. I can run 3 or more. Anyway, I can run a lot, right? But in this case, it allows me to see how the study habits vary within the groups. So freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, right? How much variance there is within the groups, but then also how much variance there is between the groups. And what this does is says, okay, is there a main effect, or basically, is there a substantial effect of your year in school on your studying habits? And so, for example, I might say, you know what, I think my juniors study harder than my seniors. So I can actually run the data and look at how much time they spend studying every week. And it'll allow me to say, okay, is there a significant difference between how much these groups study based on their grouping, right? So obviously among juniors, you're going to get some people who never study at all, just a very few, right? But you're going to get a lot that'll study quite a bit because they're trying to get into graduate school, they're trying to bring up their GPA, whatever like this, right? So we'll see some variation within the group, but we're also going to see variation from the juniors compared to the seniors, compared to the sophomores, compared to the freshmen, right? This analysis of variance allows us to explore this and see if there's actually a significant difference based on the group categorizations. These groups are often referred to as conditions, right? But when we look at these, we're actually going to produce what's called an F statistic, right? And it's capital F. A lot of our variables are lowercase, capital F statistic. And what this does is essentially indicate the amount of variance between groups as it compares to the amount of variance within the groups. So it allows us to decide, okay, are people studying more because they are juniors, for example, or are they simply studying more because of who they are as a person? Do these group labels essentially affect how much they are studying? And if it does so, does it do it in a significant way? Have a good day.